Waste of Hessig.
Hello.
Hello.
Is the fee structure, why I chose that university over Indian university, what differences you see, how much exposure you get, and why are people actually doing it here. Let's discuss it. जो होता है उसका education system और Indian education system completely different है. I will tell you all the differences and everything. Guten Morgen. So I am all ready. Wait, I will give you my fit check. Today we spent a day in a life with me where I go to my German university and show you how it goes. So come along. Let's go. Cute top. Little black panties and a cute booklet which I got as a gift and I love it. So we are having our breakfast. Let's do it. Homemade ice cream and pistachio.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time.
So I was planning to carry this tote bag, but the thing is that today we are going to get our books or German books, and German university जो होता है उसका education system और Indian education system completely different है. I will tell you all the differences and everything. But today we are going to get the books, so this is not functional. So let's take the proper university की bag book.
We've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, and we have
Hallo.
hello. Wie heißen Sie?
Waste of Hessig.
Hello.
Hallo.
we've been waiting for so long. We've been waiting for this time to begin. We ain't getting any older. I kinda feel a little younger. Run away and embrace the day. The sun is out, won't go away.
So hello. Now many people did ask me when I am saying that I'm going to a German university. So what is a German university? So many people thought that I was trying to say that I'm going to my German classes, like to learn German, I'm going to classes, which is true. But when I say that German institute or German university, what I actually meant was that the university in which I am going is not based in India. It is not owned by the Indian government. The place, the university, all the rules and regulations, everything is of German government. It is made by the German embassy. The place is owned by the German government and doesn't belong to India. So all the education, everything, the culture accordingly is followed according to the Germany. So now what is the fee structure, why I chose that university over an Indian university, what differences you see, how much exposure you get, and why are people actually doing it here. Let's discuss. So पहले let us discuss कि how is the education done, what is the difference between a normal Indian या फिर normal जो इंडिया में setup है. See इंडिया में भी बहुत अच्छे हैं जो बहुत अच्छा education दे रहे हैं. I'm not comparing anything, but जिसमें मैं थी I went to German classes when I guess I was in 6th grade. So वहाँ का education system and यहाँ का education system there is like ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क. Okay. So let us discuss कि यहाँ पे क्या होता है. So the class I go to is of 4.5 hours. It is 2 days a week, that is Saturday, Sunday, 4.5 hours. And उसमें the class is divided into 4 activities. It is a mixture of 4 activities going on. That is writing, reading, listening and speaking. Both, all the 4 are given equal importance. ऐसे नहीं है कि जैसे हमारे schools में होता है that a child gets frustrated that what the hell is happening. Teacher बस बोले जा रही है और students बस लिखते जा रहे हैं. That doesn't happen here. So basically to keep you interacted with the process, there are worksheets provided to you. You are not made to write everything, each and everything. No, that doesn't happen. You are provided creative worksheets. Worksheets भी जैसे the whiteboard or not the whiteboard, what we say, the digital board. उसके ऊपर जो गेम्स होते हैं like you're taught through games or something through a story, and then on that basis you're given worksheets. I will show you what kind of worksheets you get. I can't actually show you the material because then वो copyright में आ जाएगा, but फिर भी I will try to show a bit. Okay, I don't want to reveal the address or anything, so let's go. These are the different types of worksheets. Like if you see, you have to fill in the blanks, you have to like play games on this, everything. There are different charts and everything. Institute का अगर नाम आ रहा हो तो मैं वो blur कर दूँगी cause I don't want to reveal any of my personal information online. Where I am studying or something like that. I don't want to. If you want to know, I can DM you on Instagram or वैसे, but not publicly. I don't want to show that. हाँ. So you get worksheets and everything. फिर उसके बाद you are never meant to be sat in the class for like more than an hour. No, that doesn't happen. After some time, you are taken out on the like in the garden, and then the activities are done. Like for example, whatever, like introduce yourself to each other or whatever the thing is, whatever the activities. It is always based on the education, the chapter that is going. But you're never meant to be sat at one place and you never feel कि भाई कितना time बैठना है, 4 साढ़े 4 घंटे कब निकल जाता है आपको पता भी नहीं चलता. So that is then songs, verbal practice. You are, after anything is taught, you are made to discuss it in groups, and that is the best thing. आपने जो सीखा है वो वही के वही डिस्कस हो रहा है, वही के वही आपके प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहे हैं. जो आपने सीखा है वो हर चीज़ आप प्रैक्टिकली करते ही हो. ऐसा कभी नहीं होता दैट द टीचर टॉट एंड देन इट इज़ इन द बुक एंड देन बुक के बाद आपको कैसे दिमाग में घुसाना है, दैट इज़ योर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दैट डजंट हैपन हियर. Then उसके बाद there are songs you sing together, like of course if it is German, so you sing German songs together, German stories, etc. Now the best part which I feel is the exposure that you get. There are so many cultural events जो schools में भी होते हैं, हर जगह होते हैं, but when there are cultural events, अलग culture के लोग भी तो आने चाहिए, and that happens here. It feels like I am doing an advertisement or something and I'm promoting, but that's not the thing. I am just telling what I liked. I'm just telling why this university and why choosing this. या आपको भी अगर आगे चल के लेना है तो ऐसी यूनिवर्सिटी चूज करने से क्या होगा. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू दैट. आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग प्रमोटिंग और आई एम नॉट इवन शोइंग द नेम और एनीथिंग. सो डिफरेंट कल्चर्स के लोग, लाइक हमारे जो कल्चरल इवेंट्स रहते हैं, देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड एज स्टैम्पिश विच इज़ लाइक क्लास के पहले इफ यू वांट टू अटेंड यू कैन अटेंड, इफ यू डोंट वांट टू अटेंड इट्स अप टू यू. बट दे लाइक फॉर जर्मन, लाइक आई हैव अ ऑस्ट्रियन टीचर, like a sir. He's from Austria, speaks German, so native German speakers. You sit with them, discuss different topics, play games with them, cultural things you talk with them, exchange your culture and everything. I will put a video of that. So you get it. And then when there were cultural events, I met different people. Like there were people from Switzerland, there were people from Austria, Germany, everything. And then not only your German, because when you're speaking with the native speakers, so wo accent, everything that is very different. So you get it that how they speak, their like facial structure while they're speaking, everything. And then even the English, because when they speak in English, you understand that the English spoken in India and in like foreign countries is totally different. Like the accent, if you try to understand, it takes time. But it helps you a lot if you're planning to move to a foreign country or something. It is going to help you a lot. So in my case, it will help me a lot because I want to perceive something like that. I want to go into teaching and everything. So yeah, it would help me. That's why I have chosen that. And then the next question, the environment. No teacher, no one talks to you disrespectfully. No one. The environment is so friendly. It legit feels like a bade bhaiya or badi didi is talking to you. There is nothing like the teacher will scream on you, or if you don't understand, there will be the politeness, the helpfulness. It is on another level. I haven't seen that in my school or something कि मतलब टीचर है तो वो बच्चों से कैसे भी बात कर सकते हैं, या they can just compare कि तुमको क्यों समझ में नहीं आया, उसे तो आ गया, तुम्हारा ध्यान ही नहीं है. That never happens. Even the students are so respectful with each other. They protect their own boundaries and others' boundaries. Even the guards, the watchmen, and all of them, when you pass by, they will give you a cute smile, everything. No one will shout at you, like speak badly with you. I have not seen that in there. So the environment is very friendly, very welcoming. The important question comes now, that what is the fee structure? How much do my papa pays? Of course not me, but how much do my papa pays? So for different levels the fee structure is different. Now in a language there are levels like A1, A2, B1, B2. so जितना आपको जिस चीज़ के लिए लग रहा है उसके हिसाब से अलग अलग levels के requirement होते हैं. For teaching you require like B1, B2 and then like that. So how much to pay? For my level, I am paying almost 30 to 32,000 per level, and one level goes for almost 2 to 3 months. The class is twice a week, so like twice a week, 4.5 hour class. So per class costs you around 3,000, and then the kharcha of your books. Like yesterday I got my books. Yesterday I took them. So for one level my books costed me around 1,400, and then every day का if you are living far, सबके ही तो घर के पास होगा ऐसा नहीं है. सो मेरे घर से तो लाइक 10 किलोमीटर्स ऑलमोस्ट दैट इज़ द डिस्टेंस. सो उसका खर्चा लाइक ओला उबर इफ़ यू डू, तो फिर आई एम डूइंग ओला उबर, सो लाइक 600 ऑलमोस्ट पर डे, लाइक 250 वन साइड, 250 अदर साइड. सो ऑलमोस्ट 250 नहीं होता है, मतलब कभी 260 होता है, कभी 280 होता है. सो ऑलमोस्ट 500-600 पर डे. सो दैट इज़ हाउ द थिंग गोज. नाउ देर आर मेनी अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज़ ऑल्सो जो इंडिया की है एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दे आर ऑल्सो वेरी गुड. नाउ अच्छी यूनिवर्सिटी चूज़ करने से क्या होगा, द थिंग इज़ दैट लैंग्वेज आपको कोई भी सिखा देगा, बट द वे यू लर्न इट एंड एवरीथिंग दैट मैटर्स अ लॉट, क्योंकि उसमें इंटरेस्ट बिल्ड करके रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. देन उसके बाद द एक्सपोजर यू गेट, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. द एक्सेंट दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड और नॉट, दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. And then many of the good institutes have student exchange program, like you go to Germany for like a year or some months, etc. So I don't know about my institute if they are having student exchange program, but many of my friends who have learned French, not from the same university, from a different one, they had student exchange program, so they went to France and everything like that. But this institute has a teachers exchange program, that when you complete a teacher training course in this, like I guess C1 level or something, B2 or C1, I don't know, I will check. So you have a teacher exchange program. It goes like that. So yeah, this is all. If you have any other questions, that where is it? So I am in Pune. पुणे में कहाँ है, क्या है, एंड नॉट जस्ट इन पुणे, देयर आर मेनी ब्रांचेस ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू नो अबाउट इट, talk more about it, you can message in the comments. Instagram ID I will do, DM कर दो directly. अगर important questions है so of course I will accept the request and all. Thank you. Love.